In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Over here. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's options that you wish to manage. I will go with Camera. Now it's time to tap on one of your apps located under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with from not allowed one. Now to apply any of those options, just click on the chosen one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So when I do that and go back, against my Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can always go back, select any option and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. So for example, I will go into Microphone to manage my Call of Duty. Now don't tap on any of those options, just select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!